So we saw a bit of a blip in the market rally yesterday, but right now we're seeing futures higher. What are you expecting from today, of course, the day before holiday?
So not just today, we really see this S&P 500 rally continuing through the end of the year. And the reason why is that, bull markets and rallies typically kind of end with, euphoria and high conviction. And, we're really not seeing that. When you kind of strip out tech from the S&P 500, we're really not seeing that. Instead, what we're seeing is, especially from institutional investors, these big investors like pensions, we're seeing lower allocations to equities. And we're actually seeing the opposite of euphoria and high conviction in the equity markets, right? So, pension allocations to equities are around 20-year lows. We're seeing them kind of really invest in index strategies, right? Kind of hugging those beta strategies. And they've also been taking advantage of the higher short-term yields in cash and fixed income in those asset classes.
All right, so since you're not seeing that euphoria right now, give us a sense of how you're viewing the markets. What's your WEX word of the day?
My WEX word of the day is opening. So there are openings for investors to get on board with the equity rally, which we think will continue at least through the end of the year.
All right, so you're seeing some openings. Give us a sense. We just showed a mystery chart a short time ago. It's one of your picks of the day. It's C3 AI. We've been talking a lot about AI today with Sam Altman returning to the OpenAI board. Why is right now a good time to buy C3 AI? Those shares up over 150% year to date.
Well, what a difference time makes, right? So I plan to come on the show and really talk about how investors can invest in AI as the Chat GPT and Microsoft dust settles. But we like most investors really like AI play long term. And so when it comes to C3 AI, technically what they do is they kind of offer this turnkey AI enterprise solutions for businesses across multiple industries. But when we look from like a pricing perspective and an opportunity perspective, it's up over 156% year to date, but it's not even close to its 52-week high. And it took a little dip a few days ago, down about 3.14%, actually a little bit more. So there is an opportunity to buy right now.
All right, so that's one place you put your money. Another AI play you're looking at, that's Marvell Technology, a chip maker. Why invest in that right now, especially after what we heard from NVIDIA yesterday? Kind of a mixed report. It's lower on guidance, but they made it clear. They think sales are going to be lower in China, but it's going to be higher growth everywhere else.
So we're long-term investors, right? So we're not just investing for this quarter or next quarter. We really strongly believe in AI. And of course, Marvell Technologies makes the equipment, right? The chips to build out AI. When we look from a pricing perspective, it's up over 47% year to date. But again, down 4% in the past 5 days, a little opening.
All right, your last one. You're playing a little bit of Santa. The first two were on your nice list. They're getting toys and everything they want.
I am.
You got one on your naughty list. It's Delta Airlines on a day when a lot of people are traveling.
Oh.
So basically you're saying you would not buy this one. You're staying away from it. Why?
So we own Delta, and Frank, it is on my naughty list. I hope it has an opportunity to come off of the naughty list and go onto the nice list. Delta revamped their loyalty program months ago, and all of their loyal customers were up in arms. Competing airlines basically offered for to kind of like match status if their current loyalty members were to kind of come over. And so typically we do like Delta, but that move was really detrimental, and we're seeing that in the stock price. They did walk it back a little bit. We're not quite sure if that's going to be enough. We'll see next year. The stock is down almost 14% in the past 3 months. So right now it's on the naughty list.